Yo, what's up guys? Andy from Tab Lab here, back at it with another buying $1 Bitcoin everyday update. Today is day number 1048 in a row. We're going to go through the Bitcoin update and then we've got some exciting updates and news after that. So current Bitcoin price $46,745, down about 3% today. I have $4,290 in my balance. So definitely in a downtrend, sideways over the last week for the most part, down 2.5%, down 23% on the month, but up 104% on the year. Like I've been saying, we had a strong run from July all the way into November, so I think it's expected to see some sort of dip here, and we're just going to keep dollar cost averaging, buying every day, see how that plays out. Doesn't really matter, we just believe in Bitcoin long term. We're going to keep buying no matter what. SEC, don't really care. Happy bear day Bitcoin. It's been 3 years since Bitcoin bottomed at $3,100. Let's zoom out and we'll take a look at that dip right there. So that would be right here. This dip right here, December 17th. Anyways, Bitcoin owned 0.09177266. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next, scan my face. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, we've added $1 more to the Bitcoin balance. If you aren't familiar with this, I'm using Cash App. It's the easiest app to buy, sell, send, receive Bitcoin, do everything you need to do if you're a beginner. Also great for experiments like this, just because it's so quick and easy to use. If you haven't yet, you can sign up with the link in the description and get $5 for free. So now Bitcoin owned 0.09179340, slowly adding to our balance each and every day there. Let's go ahead and do the math on this. $4,293, 4293 divided by 1,048 days equals a 4.09x on our investment. So still doing very well over the long term. What that means, for every dollar that I've put into this experiment, I now have $4.09. Let's go ahead and close that out and we'll hop into some news here. I'm just going to open up my camera and do this. Probably just the easiest way to show you. By the way, what's up? This is me wearing the Bitcoin t-shirt today. So like I've said for a long time, I'm going to get a new computer. It's actually out for delivery. Got the new iMac, so I'm excited for that. Next order of business, Adidas has their NFT drop today. It's sort of like all over the place. Hard to find good information, hard to find the page where you even mint. So I'm trying to figure it out as well. The times seem off from the times that they have posted, but this is adidas.com/into the metaverse. I'll try and link all this stuff down in the description as well. But there's the site there. Lazy Lions NFT has released their holiday themed collectible cards. So if you don't have any NFTs yet, or you want to get these NFTs, you want to start learning about NFTs, whatever it is, just sign up with the link in the description. It's going to take you to their Discord and then join, and then you'll get some free packs. Let's see if I have any packs yet. So no packs right now, but if I invite people, then I'll get some more free packs. I did get 2 cards already from the first pack that I opened. Got the gingerbread cookie and the lazy sweater. So definitely join the Discord, get your free NFTs there. Those NFTs are going to go to your wallet. They're going to be on Polygon, but you'll be able to trade them and everything that you want to do. Current price for the ones that I own are 0.003 ETH. So not bad for a free thing. It also enters you in to win a Lazy Lions NFT, which is currently valued over $4,000, I believe. So I'll put that as like the first link in the description to go ahead and join that and get your free collectible NFT pack. Next order of business, Synchronauts Sunday. Another thing in the NFT world. I recommend this if you want to come in and learn from some very smart people in the crypto NFT DeFi space. This is Synchronauts Sunday. It's a live stream every Sunday where they do updates, news, information. So I'm going to start recommending a lot of my friends join this that want to start to learn and get involved in NFTs. It's going to be twitch.tv/cryptogenic that hosts this live stream. So there you have it. That'll do it for today. Hope you guys found this helpful or interesting. Be sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.